putting it all together. Using the Data Mapper tool, we're going to map the data to the glyph. First, open up the Data Mapper tool. On the top menu bar, click on Data Source and Add Data Sources. Find your data file on your drive and click Open. A menu will pop up. Click on the corresponding radio button for each of the field names and choose the appropriate type: text, integer, or real number. Click OK, and you will see your data in the right-hand column. The next step is to import the glyph. Click on Glyph, Add Glyph Templates, and find the file on your drive. Click Open, and you should see the glyph in the window. You can navigate using the glyph tree on the left column or select the shapes directly. In this demo, we're looking at water use for each county in Colorado. In order for the glyphs to be placed correctly on the map, we need to add latitude and longitude coordinates. To do this, select the root shape, which is the top level shape in the glyph tree, or select it in the glyph window. In this case, it's a cylinder rod. In the field name column on the left side, drag the longitude row over to position X. Drag the latitude row over to position Y, as shown. Also, we'd like to see where the counties are, so drag the label for county name over to the tag and description window. Notice the XY coordinates in the properties. Notice the XY min and max numbers in the properties column. At this point, they can be edited, but we're going to leave them at the default numbers. Next, we're going to change the base image type. But first, a MapQuest key needs to be generated and added to the Map Download Settings menu found under Tools. Click on Base Object Properties, and the Base Object Properties menu will pop up. Change the base image type to Downloaded Map and click OK. When the final visualization is created, a map is downloaded based on the longitude-latitude coordinates that were already inputted. In this demo, the State of Colorado map will be downloaded. Also, now the XY properties are grayed out and can no longer be edited. The process for mapping is to simply drag and drop the data from the field name column over to the property column for each of the shapes that make up the glyph. The min and max ranges are set for the properties listed in the properties column, like position, rotation, scale, color, and transparency. For example, select the torus, change the color to gray, change the min size to 1.0 and the max to 3.5. Drag the data from the right column for county total population in thousands over to the scale properties for each of the X, Y, Z rows. The process of dragging and dropping data onto a glyph shape and changing the parameters needs to happen in order for the data to be reflected in the final visualization. Before we create our visualization and navigate in 3D space to view it, we're going to learn how to add and create legend and work with the base images and look at color.